Good visibility is essential, and when you're driving in snowy, icy, or dusty conditions, you rely on your windshield wipers and washer fluid to help maintain a clean windshield. Of course, that fluid does run out, which can lead to poor visibility and possible damage to your windshield if you're wiping without fluid. When the fluid is low, you'll see a washer symbol illuminate an instrument cluster. Don't let the fluid run out completely. Here's how to add more. First, open the hood. Find the washer fluid bottle. It is the one with the blue cap with the washer symbol on it. Open the cap and pour in more washer fluid. Be sure to use the appropriate fluid for your region's lowest temperatures to help prevent freezing. See your owner's manual for important information and warnings, including fluid recommendations. Windshield cleaners, washer fluid, and cleaning cloths are available from your authorized Volkswagen dealer. Checking your washer fluid level and filling it regularly will help ensure you don't run out when you're on a long drive in conditions that might reduce your visibility.